Greetings. I am Jyotish KJ, reaching out to you from Dr. Shubhankar Mishra's lab. I am here to introduce you to Nirmal, a Wi-Fi enabled smart hands-free sanitizer dispenser. This project is a collaborative effort of integrated MSc students from Dr. Shubhankar Mishra's lab. This video is structured as following: introduction, our journey, and the demonstration of the current version of our model. Introduction. This project started off as a very basic idea, wherein we wanted to make an automatic actuator for the sanitizer pump bottles. Our goal was to retain the manual pumping capabilities of sanitizer pump bottles. We started off by using an infrared proximity sensor for activation, an MG996R servo motor for the pumping, and an Arduino Nano as the brain of the system. The Arduino firmware we wrote for this project features an electronic counter for the number of times the pump has been used. The value of the counter is stored in the EEPROM of the Arduino and can be read on a 7-segment LED display upon the press of a button. The counter can be reset using another button. We developed this idea and ended up with a system containing an electronics control box and a clip-on neck attachment for sanitizer pump bottles. This system worked graciously. However, due to abundance of moving parts, we decided to rethink our concept. This time, we added a DC pump. Coupled with some 3D printed adapters, we now had a working system. We had multiple failed attempts, wherein we faced issues like backflow, standby dripping, leakage, etc. Gradually, over time, we fixed all these issues and landed at our current version. Every time the proximity sensor is triggered, the pump is activated for a set amount of time. This activation time can be adjusted using an onboard potentiometer. As discussed earlier, the electronic counter keeps a track of the amount of time for which the pump has been active. This counter value can be read on an onboard LED display by the press of this button. The counter can be reset by pressing this button and holding it down until the red LED goes off. The units, which are ruled with Wi-Fi modules plugged in, are already configured with Nizer Map and thus are connected to Nizer intranet. The aforementioned counter value, upon reaching a particular number, will trigger the Wi-Fi module to signal a server computer hosted on the same network. This computer will then automatically send an email to a pre-configured email address. Our current version still has many issues, like the pumps not being able to push very viscous sanitizers, the IR proximity sensors getting stray activation due to bright sunlight, etc. Many major issues have been sorted out. The ones which are still standing are currently being worked upon. The infrared-based sensors are now being swapped with ultrasonic proximity sensors, which are more reliable and solve the problem of stray activation in bright sunlight. Designs which will use gravity for dispensing sanitizer are now being discussed. This should solve the problem with pumping thick liquids against gravity. We take pride in this small initiative of ours and we are thankful to Nizer for supporting us through this initiative. We especially thank Dr. Shubhankar Mishra for his nurturing guidance and support. On behalf of our team in robotics wing of Dr. Shubhankar Mishra's lab, thank you for watching this video. We hope to be able to present more of our initiatives in future. Have a great time.
You